Hey, my name is Brittany Combs, and I have decided to talk about a developed plan of action for specific behavior students' behavioral and learning needs. A little bit of background on him. He is a Black African American male. He is from low socioeconomic status, as well as the rest of the children in our school. He has several behavior issues. A lot of the issues that I have with him in class are um, basically just not doing his work. Doesn't care, doesn't want to, doesn't try. I can tell the other students, okay, let's get out our grammar packet for the day. We're going to start on this warm up, get it out, and start looking at it, and we're going to go over it together. He'll sit there with nothing on his desk. He'll cut up paper, he'll glue paper to his desk, he'll play with stuff, but he doesn't really care to actually do the work. When I do address it or redirect him or let him know, okay, hey, we need to get going, we've got to learn this. We're going to have a test on Friday, and I want you to do really good on your test. If everyone gets all A's, then we're going to have a pizza party. So I do try to redirect him, and I have already tried some other things to see if they will work. The beginning of the school was different. He is doing better now. But some other things, when you do redirect, he gets aggressive, he kicks, he hits, he stomps his feet. He'll do anything he can to cause a disruption, and then it kind of affects our whole class. A lot of the things that I have learned in Chapter 10 is the learned helplessness. And I have seen that with him. I know that his background at home is not good. I know that his dad doesn't care. His mom's not in the home. So I know that he has no support. He does have a family friend that does contact me, and she's very good about helping me redirect or deal with issues. But as far as in his home, he doesn't have anyone. And he has learned, and he has told me that I don't need good grades. My dad doesn't care if I have good grades. I'm still going to get this, or I'm still going to get that. His dad's let him know, you'll get rewarded regardless. I don't care. So one thing that I learned in reading through the book, really, but a lot of in Chapter 10, was Maslow's law, where it has the hierarchy system, where it talks about the self-actualization and the aesthetic needs and the need to know and understand, self-esteem, belonging. And that is where I've really been able to get to him. I know at home that he does not have a lot of the resources that most children or children like myself grew up with. So I know that I can give him goals. Okay, if you can do this for me, then we can do this. And that's really seemed to reach him. He's not getting that emotional support at home as far as the physical and mental, and he's just not stable at all. So I make sure to really love on him. I make sure to always tell him, you're doing an awesome job. I've had a breakthrough recently with him, and he is doing amazing. His grades are changing. But I think it is because I stopped and I thought about, okay, what is this child going through at home? What is he lacking at home? And this was it. And this chapter really helped me to see that. He was making 20s and 30s and on tests, and now he's making 80s and 90s. So I think he really just needed that extra support, and then knowing that he's got a food or a lunch with your teacher, if he does good on this, or if he pays attention here, or something like that. And I think that has helped so much. So I really enjoyed reading about the motivational and human needs of a student. I think this section in general, this concept, helped me break through, and I know that it's working. So there's really no explanation of recommendation. It's the kid needed emotional support and emotional help, and he needed food and stuff at home, and those were ways to get through to him to help him learn. It has helped significantly, and he's doing great.